Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through how you can transfer your existing phone number to Lyca Mobile in 2026. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to purchase a Lyca Mobile SIM card and then you need to activate it. By the way, if you don't know how you can activate your Lyca Mobile SIM card, depending on your country and your region, I've created separate videos on this particular topic, so you can check that out on our channel. Now, during the activation, you will have the option to choose the transfer my old number to Lyca. So as you can see, currently I'm on Lyca's official website. So over here, when you click on the option of activate SIM, this is the second option that you are going to get over here, which is transfer my existing number to Lyca Mobile. So you need to simply select this particular option and then you need to fill out this particular form. Over here, you need to provide your SIM card number, then a port in number, then your PUK code, then your account number, email address, password PIN, your first name, last name, your home address, select your country, your region, your state, and then click on the option of continue. Now, when you click on the option of continue, you will be landed on the number transfer page where you need to just follow further on screen instructions, like you need to provide some of your details and then you just have to simply submit your request. Now, any of the incorrect information here can delay the process, so make sure that the information that you are entering are correct. Now, after submitting the request, you can continue using your current SIM card. Do not cancel any of the existing services, as the transfer process automatically closes the old account once the number has been successfully moved. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.